Welcome to Zishta. A lot of people had given us feedback that they prefer treated Kalchatti over unseasoned wines. As you know, at Zishta, we either get it treated directly by our artisans in firewood, or we do it ourselves with a lot of care at our office. We just wanted to share some traditional knowledge that we had gathered from speaking to different people, grandmothers, grandparents, or various relatives. And we found out that, they say that Kalchatti has got some kind of memory where it kind of understands the environment where it is being used, your touch and feel, the way you handle the cookware, and also the gas burner that is being used. That's why they clean it by themselves and not give it to maid. But also they do the seasoning by themselves because of these properties of Kalchatti. Just sharing this information with all of you so that next time you can clearly evaluate when you go for a purchase of Kalchatti whether you want to go for a treated or an untreated one. Also, the treatment process is something that is it's considered to be a very tedious and very complicated process. Let's just bust that myth for you all. Kalchatti seasoning is not rocket science. It's just 3-step process. Step 1 is where you apply a mixture of castor oil and turmeric and keep it aside for 4 to 5 days. Step 2 is where you wash it really well, then fill it up with starch water and replenish it every day, and same way, keep it aside for 4 to 5 days. Step 3 is where you fill it up with starch water and then keep it in the gas burner and in low flame and allow it to boil.